Yeah, it definitely sounds like, as you said, there's a consistency in sort of what you're currently seeing in the markets and in the economy. So, what will be the catalyst to get to the point of this deflation? Because it sounds like you believe we're going to experience deflation, as well as, what will curb the debt. Because I think at the moment, US government is 2 trillion deficit. It seems like they're just willing to continue to print.
Yeah, well, we first go into roaring inflation, and then the system collapses, and then we have 7 odd years of deflation. Asset prices are going to fall sharply. I'm not going to give you numbers, but they're pretty horrific. So from mid-2024 to mid-2025, you make your money to survive the coming very difficult periods. But make sure you're not the last one on the dance floor when the music stops.